Are you looking for the best polishing kits for car? In this video, we will break down the top 4 polishing kits for car on the market.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Meguiar's Ultimate Car Care Kit. This very comprehensive kit contains everything you need for cleaning, polishing, and waxing the paint of your car, as well as cleaning other parts, like the wheels, tires, and interior. The only thing not on the roster is a clay bar. Every product that comes in this kit yields great results. The kit also includes high-quality microfiber towels, a wash mitt, a foam applicator, and a water magnet drying towel that is fantastic at removing water spots. While you can use an Orbital buffer to apply these products, hand application still yields a superb shine. We also really like the Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer that can make the black plastic, vinyl, and rubber trims appear as new again after the treatment. A well-polished paint job is nothing with plastic and rubber parts that look grayish and faded. All these great products come in a kit that doesn't cost too much, especially given the fact that these are from a brand as reputable as Meguiar's. At number 2. Griot's Garage G8 Orbital Correct and Protect KIT. Visit any prestigious concours d'elegance and you're likely to see entrants preparing their treasured cars with Griot's products. This kit puts Pebble Beach quality paint correction in the hands of the do-it-yourselfer. The included G8 electric orbital buffer is an upgrade over previous Griot's offerings. According to them, the gear set is now 45% stronger. That added durability takes some of the sting out of the not inconsiderable buy-in price. Besides the buffer, you'll get 16-ounce bottles of Boss Correcting Cream and Best of Show Wax. There are 2 distinct types of buffing pads as well, orange for the correcting cream and red to apply the wax. The 6 microfiber buffing cloths in this kit have no hems or edges that might catch on and dislodge trim. Very thoughtful. Griot's has been in taking car care seriously since they began business in 1990. All of their waxes, cutting and polishing compounds, and other liquid car care products are manufactured in their own U.S. factory. Whether the cost of a Griot's kit is worth it is truly a matter of personal preference. But sometimes it's nice to splurge a little on the good stuff. Your car deserves it, even if you're not planning on entering it in a concours. At number 3. Armor All-Complete Car Care Kit. A suitable option for those on a budget, this one is the cheapest here. This kit includes Ultra Shine Wash and Wax that lifts away dirt, a tire protectant, original protectant for long-lasting shiny finish, and glass wipes that can keep the windows of your car clean. For the price, you really get a lot of products in one package, but there are no mitts or microfiber towels. You'll need to purchase them on the side. As for the quality of polishing and cleaning, don't expect results like the best polishers and cleaners out there. However, it's good enough for regular maintaining of a shiny finish of the paint. The glass wipes can definitely keep your windows clean, but they're only good if the glass is not very dirty. In other words, use them only on the inner side of the windows and for the mirrors, as otherwise, they will only smear the dirt and not remove it. At number 4. Chemical Guy's eco-friendly Drought-Buster. The Chemical Guy's waterless solution is a great product for those that want to polish and detail their cars easily and quickly. This kit doesn't even require a hose or a water source nearby. Just mix the solution with water in the provided sprayer and you are good to go, or use the concentrated solution for a very dirty car. It's very simple to use as well. Just spray over an area of the car and use the provided microfiber cloth to detail your car. Don't expect professional polishing results, but for most users, this product can give the shine they want. The best thing is, it protects the paint from further damage thanks to the built-in wax. All of this sounds very good, but don't expect the best polishing results. Scratches and blemishes will definitely not be removed. This is more of a product for using after every car wash, and not once or twice a year like a real car polisher. That doesn't mean that it won't provide you with the shiny finish, it's just that it won't be on the level of some other products.